From our Toronto studios, this is the Muslim News on Muslim Network TV. Assalamu alaikum, I am Ahmed Ramadan. Our top story for today, the US is facing a severe egg shortage due to a major bird flu outbreak and supply chain disruptions. Millions of egg-laying hens have been culled, reducing supply and pushing prices to record levels. The H5N1 bird flu strain has devastated poultry farms since 2022, affecting more than 150 million birds. Egg prices jumped more than 15% in January, the biggest rise in nearly a decade, with some retailers now charging up to $10 per dozen. Consumers are struggling, with some grocery stores imposing purchase limits. Farmers face delays in replacing culled flocks, prolonging the crisis. Regulations requiring cage-free eggs have added to supply constraints. Nevada has temporarily lifted these rules to ease shortages. High prices have also led to a rise in egg smuggling from Mexico, with border confiscations up 29%. Theft is another issue. Thieves stole 100,000 eggs from a Pennsylvania farm in February. The U.S. is increasing egg imports, including 15,000 tons from Turkey, which ranks among the world's top 5 egg exporters. However, the Department of Agriculture warns prices may rise another 20% in 2025 as the crisis continues.